Hi friends, welcome back to mkdesignsindia YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new series all about Shorty Kit. In this series, we will cover everything that you need to know about Shorty Kits for Royal Enfield GT 650 and Interceptor 650. In this first episode, we are starting with the basics. What exactly is a Shorty Kit and what are the types of Shorty Kits we offer? As you can see, there is a motorcycle behind me and that's the GT 650. So what's a Shorty Kit? It's a custom part designed to alter the length of your motorcycle subframe, helping it match the length of the seat for a cleaner and sleeker look. It gives the back of the motorcycle well-proportioned, streamlined appearance. About the installation of the Shorty Kit. So we need to chop the rear subframe, and after that we have a frame loop which is directly inserted in the frame and it is bolted on. Now if you are wondering about chopping the subframe, don't worry, it won't affect the strength and integrity of your frame. The cut happens after the main strength points which are designed to support the motorcycle's structure. Installation is super simple. All you need to do is measure 35 mm from the support, make the cut and then fine paint the area to prevent rust. The rest of the kit installs easily with a bolt-on fit. It comes with a fiber-made rear loop that completes the sleek minimalistic look. All the necessary mountings, nuts, bolts for hassle-free installation. An LED strip light that's both functional and stylish. It has all the three functions: tail light, brake light and turn signals. Plus, we have got a range of add-ons. To further customize your motorcycle, we have the rear fender, mini turn signals, round LED light and side-mounted license plate. These add-ons give you an endless customization options to achieve the perfect look you want. Now let's talk about the three types of Shorty Kits we have. One, we have the Shorty Kit Small, perfect for single seat setup, giving a compact, classy look. Shorty Kit XL, ideal for those who want a bit more room or a pillion option without sacrificing the clean look. Shorty Kit Tapered, for a more sporty retro vibe with a sleek cafe racer feel. You will find the links to these kits in the description below, along with more details. We have also got detailed videos for each type of Shorty Kit available on our channel. So be sure to check those out. Links to those videos are also available in description.